This 2025 Brinkley RV Model Z Air 310 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Conroe, Texas, 77301 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Conroe. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Brinkley RV is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, slide-out, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.